Are you looking for a smart lighting solution that impresses your clients and sets your business apart? That's exactly why we've partnered with Ring, a pioneer in smart home technology. This partnership elevates your offerings and adds a unique edge to your projects. Imagine handing your clients unprecedented control over their outdoor spaces. With the convenience of their phone, they can adjust the lighting schedules, create distinct lighting zones, and even use voice commands through Alexa integration. Additionally, Ring's smart system offers motion-activated lighting for an extra layer of security. When integrated with Ring's security cameras or doorbells, the landscape lights can automatically activate whenever motion is detected. The installation process is straightforward. Start by plugging in the Ring bridge and connecting to the client's Wi-Fi network using the Ring app. The bridge enables Ring's smart plug to communicate with the Ring app. Then, connect the transformer to Ring's smart plug. With each outlet individually controllable, your clients have the flexibility to zone their lights and control each zone independently. Our Ring-enabled landscape lighting solution is more than just a product. It's an experience that your clients will treasure. Offering this state-of-the-art technology will distinguish your business in a crowded market and create remarkable upselling opportunities. With roughly 10 million homes utilizing the Ring system, this is a great opportunity to offer an easily integrated landscape lighting system with wireless control. Contact us to learn more about delivering this innovative technology to your client's home.